It's state championship weekend, and not many teams feel more at home in a state title game than the Katy Tigers. Saturday was their 15th state title appearance, and they were looking for championship number 9. The Tigers got a familiar foe in the final also, the Cedar Hill Longhorns. Cedar Hill and Katy met 3 straight years from 2012 through 2014, with the Longhorns winning the last 2. The 6A Division II State Championship is our DQ Game of the Week. The Katy Tigers hyped up to take on the Longhorns for the 4th time in a state final. In the first quarter, Koger with his patented play action, leaving a wide-open Taylor Saulsberry, and that's a 37-yard touchdown pass play. Tigers up 7-0. Cedar Hill has the ball at the end of the first quarter. Kaidon Salter backing up and then throwing over the middle will watch Shepherd Bowling make the diving interception, and the Tigers are back in business. The Katy drive would continue into the second quarter, where Jalen Davis goes in from the 3 to make it 14-0 Tigers. Late in the first half, watch Koger with the wraparound handoff to Isaiah Smith, and no one sees it. Smith is gone. That's a 55-yard back-breaking touchdown as Coach Gary Joseph's Katy Tigers head into halftime up 24-0. Down 27-zip, Cedar Hill close to midfield. But Ty Kana knocks the ball out of Jaiden Calahan's hand. Hamilton McMartin scoops it up and breaks it 55 yards for a scoop and score. And Katy is rolling. The Longhorns would score twice, but Seth Davis would put this on ice with a 25-yard touchdown run up the middle. 131 yards for Lightning Seth Davis on the day, and an offensive MVP award. And how about this one? Salter tries to dump it off, but throws it right to Cal Varner, and the big guy jogs into the end zone. It was his first ever interception of his career, and he's named the defensive MVP of the game. Katy wins their 9th state title in convincing fashion, 51-14.
Oh, it's very special, and like you said, it's one of those years which you'll always remember because of what we went through to get to this point. But like you said, I'm extremely proud for the kids and of the kids.
All their hope, like everything they had going, it was crushed. Once I got that pick and when I scored, the quarterback just sat on the ground, and I just saw they were defeated. And my team had all the energy, and they're all hype, and I knew we had it in the bag.
The Game of the Week is brought to you by DQ for treats and eats before and after the game.